Hi everyone, welcome back to Computer Tips and Tricks by Soumen in this channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable thumbnails view on folder on your laptop. Many of us are use settings file icons, but displaying thumbnail can make it easier to identify and locate the files we need. So let's get started. Don't skip the video. See it through. Thank you. Firstly, open this PC shortcut, then I am going in picture, and you can see I cannot see the thumbnail icon on picture. If you face this type of problem, firstly you go to view tab and view, then here option, change folder and search option, click on here and next. Here view and here it is the problem. Uncheck the tick mark. Okay, work is done. Click on apply. To apply, you can see here all is okay. Click the tick mark and click apply. Here is your problem. So click, uncheck the tick mark and click apply, then okay, your problem is solved. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any question or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next vlog. Thank you.